How's it going, everyone? Today we are back with some more Geometry Dash, and I have a very exciting level to show you guys today. I discovered this by looking at straight up the easy demon list, and now we're gonna play it, and this will be considered probably my hardest demon yet, because I was looking like high up onto the list and was looking for like harder ones because I want to move on to medium demons after this. And so I found a really cool one that looks kind of hard, and it's called New Age Blizzard. Now, I've seen a YouTube video for this level, obviously when I looked on the Easy Demon list, but I have not played it yet, starting from zero, completely, but I have some tight wave parts, and those wave parts will probably get me better to go into medium demons. So yeah, without further ado, let's try to beat New Age Blizzard. Alright, let's go. Oh god. Oh. Yup! Oh gee, okay. There's a lot of inputs happening here. Okay. Hold on. Oh, you have to hit that late. Okay. I'm not hitting it late enough. Oh man, that's hard. I'm gonna have to go into practice mode, like, straight away, pretty much. Okay, so you really do have to hit that late. Wow. That's kind of insane timing. And then this up here. Oh, there's a spike up there too? Oh. Nah, this cube section is tough. Wait, what's going on? I'm confused right now. Okay, so you just skip that, you let that go. Okay, so there's kind of some memorization. 51 attempts and we're only at 5%. Jesus. Ooh, there's invisible objects. Okay. Oh, this is tight too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, this is definitely a hard, easy demon. Okay, hold on. Is there a secret way? Okay, so you go up there for the coin. Okay, coin's not too bad. I could get that. Oh, and then there's this! That's very tight. At least for me. Oh my god. I have to lock in. Oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot believe I made it through that. I'd say the cube is honestly the hardest. Because there's like so many like fakes. Okay, how many of these are fakes? Okay, none of those are fakes. Okay, so you do have to kind of buffer it. Ooh, this is looking hard. Oh my god. Thank goodness I have show hitboxes on, or else I would. How late do you have to hit that? You have to hit that so late. Oh my god. You have to hit that so late. Oh my god. Oh my god. This has some hard timings. Oh, and we're upside down. Okay, the ship part isn't that bad. Oh yeah, okay, you have to go up. Okay, this part isn't that bad. I feel like this level might have unbalanced difficulty because, like, what is this? Like, what is happening here? And then it goes into this. Oh my god. Oh my god! I'm doing this first try. Oh my god. Did I just go from like 50% to 100? This has to have the most imbalanced difficulty I've ever played in an Easy Demon. Oh my god. That was insane. Okay, but we gotta get better at this beginning part. Oh, right, okay. Oh, that part, okay. That's the thing with this level, is that it has a lot of just insane timings. Oh my god. I'm hitting it too early. There we go. Okay, 11%. Okay. I just have to get used to this beginning with this hard-ass jump. This jump is so hard. Oh my god, dude. That 2% jump is quite the choke point for me. There we go. Oh, fuck. Jesus. 11% again. Okay, we got past that part first try. I can't make it past 11 though. Oh, 18. Okay, we got to the wave. That first coin actually isn't that bad. It's this 2% jump that's killing me. Oh, 25. Okay, I honestly forgot that there was like another wave section. Okay, so pretty good. Already to 25. And that first coin is pretty free. Ah, that wave part is so hard. And the fucking wave got me again. Of course. But of course, the wave. The first wave of any demon level has to be like a deadlock damage. Has to be like 3 times speed. Ugh, that fucking part. Ah, I forgot where I was going. Okay, 34, not bad. We're getting more consistent, which I like. I will say, besides that 3% jump, this level is pretty good. Okay, besides the 3% jump and the random, like, UFO part that nothing happens. Like, I will say that this level has, like, good aesthetics. The gameplay is mostly fun. It just has, like, a couple of small things. I wouldn't even recommend this as someone's like last easy demon before medium demons, because it's not like a very like it's not an amazing level, but it's okay. I mean, I like the crystals, right? I like the snowflakes and this general vibe of the level. It's just not a very well balanced one. Oh, god damn it. Oh, no, I didn't get past the 1 block jump, or gap. Okay, 35, not bad. Right, not bad. Although, the attempt count is going up very high. Ah, I forgot what to do there. Okay, so far we're at 468 attempts. To say that this is a shot up in difficulty compared to the last levels is an understatement, because I was beating those levels within 200 attempts. Sometimes within 150 attempts. And this is already wild. Yeah, this is wild. This part is a little weird, but you just have to remember when to press the button. Like, okay, for example, like I keep dying here. I'm gonna have to like restart this entire section because I want to get this section like first try next time I get to it. Okay, so dun 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 ba ba ba. Okay, so this is where I messed up last time. So it's done. Okay, okay. Oh, no! Oh, I did so good. Okay, I'm gonna redo that. Okay, that was good. And then here you go up like this. And then this part's free. All right. Without further ado. Okay, let's go. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god, dude! I've been recording for 3.5 hours! Oh my god! Oh my god, yes! Oh my god! I'll give it a like, fuck it. Oh my god, how many attempts did that take me? 1,700. 1,782. Almost 1,800 attempts, basically. Oh my god, yes! Yes! Ugh. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so glad. I'm so relieved. I honestly would have had a bigger pop-off if the level wasn't so annoying. Oh my god. Well, that's New Age Blizzard by Platnu. So, I guess, what? That's my 10th demon? Yep. Alright, well, that was pretty much a medium demon, honestly, if not, like, some parts were kind of hard demonish. But, okay, I guess we're moving on to medium demon. I don't know what ones to do, honestly. I don't know what are good beginner ones. Alright, well, with all that said, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I got tilted in this video, I did. But goddamn, was it worth it? Alright, everyone, goodbye.